looking for dinosaur bones. It will take ages. Do you know a person who dig up bones and study about fossils? They are called paleontologists. So let's see what we have inside the dinosaur box, the T-Rex, okay? We have the digging tools, and this looks like a soft knife, and the brush. It looks like a paintbrush. And this is a plaster box. There's a skeleton inside the plaster box. That's why I'm here to dig this up. And the wax, and the instructions, okay? And this is the background. I think it'll be like this, and then the T-Rex will be here. So we can fix the dinosaur here, and this is the backdrop. This is the backdrop. See? It's nice. Before we get started, make sure you have a tray or a newspaper, and protect yourself from not getting dirty. You need an apron and a goggles. Let me take off my hat. Like that. It's so dusty, so I'm putting a face mask. And it's taking 1 hour to finish it. It's easy for you to knock if you spray water. The instructions say this too. Phew, look at me. I think scientist Vayndan has found something in the sand. Now scientist Vayndan is going to dig it up. Dig. Can you see the white piece? Like this? So I'm brushing it up. It's not going. Scientist Vayndan needs to take some more.
2 hours later.
Oh, I think I found something. Can you see the spoons? Can you see the spoons? That took a long time. So we have started digging up, and these are the pieces we have here, and we need to fix it like Lego. I'm almost done. Now I'm fixing the leg. Okay, the leg goes here. That's it. I'm done fixing. Look at this. You can carry the leg up, the leg down, and another leg can carry, and the hand can shake, and another hand can shake. That's all for me. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye. And Mr. Dinosaur says,